Okay, this is a little short on the assignment. This is actually an assignment in almost 2 classes, only each class is doing it a little differently. This is the U-shaped gusset we're doing here, and it's the one-piece bag that I want everyone to do. And so what you do is you make your little U-shaped gusset, and this is basically what I mean by U-shaped gusset. And then of course you put your gusset down, and you just walk your gusset to get the length that you need to get. And we're just going to do that really quickly. Then you get the length, and there we got our length. Then you pin. Now once you take your pin mark, measure your pin mark, and in this case our pin mark is 5 3/8. We determine how wide we want our bag to be, and then we go down. In this case, I think I want my bag to be, let's just say 7 inches long. And so I'm just going to make a pin mark as 7, and then I'm just going to go out to 5 3/8. 5 1 2 3/8. Make another pin, and then I'm going to cut. Now this will fit around the whole bag. Okay? This is one complete piece around the whole bag. And this is our bag, this is the clutch. I could make my clutch a little shorter now that I look at it. So instead of making it, let's see, what do we got here? Instead of making it, oh, that's way too long. Let's look, I don't know, I must have missed my measurement there, but let's go ahead and do it again. And like I said, I just want to, oh, there, I didn't cut it. I see it. I didn't cut my 7. All right, I see it. This is our bag right here. Okay. This is our bag right here. Our little clutch. And this is the clutch that's going to be in your hand like this. Okay? Very small little clutch. This is my gusset. One-piece clutch. Now what we have to do is go here and add our flap. And so what I'm going to do is, I'll be right back. I need to get another piece of, hey, we're back. I went and got myself another piece of pattern paper, and this was my original pattern piece that I had made. I got my dimensions from here. We had 5 3/8 inch there, and we wanted it to be 7 inches long. So I took those measurements, I transferred them to a new pattern piece, and here is what our pattern piece looks like. This is our bottom. Right here, let me get my little pointer here. This is our bottom of the bag right here. This represents the back of the bag right here, and this is the top of the bag. And as you can see, it fits right in there like that. So this is the bottom of the bag. This is the back of the bag, and this is the top. Now I'm getting ready to make the top of my clutch, and I need to determine how much I wanted it to open here at the top. And I thought 2 inches would be okay to open at the top. Now if I pleat this gusset, then of course the bag is going to fold in, and then the top will be 2 inches. So maybe I don't want it 2 inches. So probably what I'm going to do is modify that measurement and just make it like 1.5 inches at the top. Let me look. yeah, yeah, 1.5 to 1.25 inches. Any one of those will be good. So what I'm going to do is just measure down. I'm going to change this to like 1.25 inches, make it really narrow at the top, fits right nicely in the hand. So we'll just make it 1.25 inches. Okay, yeah, inch and yeah, 1.25 inches, yeah, 1.25 inches. And I also squared my pattern paper. As you can see, it's folded down the middle and to the sides too, which is how I started that. So we're going to go ahead and pin again, fold it, and then just draw our line here, so we'll know where the front of the bag, where the opening of the bag is. Yeah. Okay, now this represents the opening at the top. This is, let me go ahead, opening at the top of your bag here. Okay, now we're going to make our shape of our bag. And so I'm going to fold it again, and I'm going to get a pen or a pencil, and I'm going to try to get some sort of shape going here, something simple, and go from there. Okay, and I got a little curve coming around, and and then I know I'm going to have a magnetic snap, so maybe I'll just make a little thing like that to put my magnetic snap in. Something like that, just to give it a little, you could do anything with it. Then I'm going to cut. Oops. There. Now here's my flap. And then what I'm going to do is score here. Bend it, score here, bend it, and then I can kind of see, and then you imagine your gusset, and then you can kind of see your one-piece bag, and that's what I want you to make. What did I do with that gusset? And then of course you can imagine your gusset in there, and this will give you the idea of what I want you to make. Okay? This is one piece, and this is going to come in handy later. Okay? All right, and so that's it. That's my short. Talk to you. Bye.